So guys, this is going to be our movement for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So let's do an in-depth analysis on what Swiss franc JPY is actually going to be doing for us for the day. So first thing first, those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you don't yet subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you don't miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with the trend right here. First thing first, before we take a trend, we need to know what the trend. And as you can see on our Swiss franc JPY, we are in a downtrend move. I mean, this is the overall movement of Swiss franc JPY. We are in a downtrend move, right? So guess what market is doing? Market is coming to tap this support level properly, which it has literally done that, right? Because when you zoom in right here, this is a current trend, right? But when you take a look at the good trend, you'll see that the main trend is a ranging market move. But the current movement is a downtrend move, right? Now, take a look at this movement right here, guys. Markets rallied up to tap this resistance. Then it eventually dropped again to tap our supports, right? Markets eventually rallied up to tap our resistance. Then it dropped to tap our supports. Markets eventually rejected and came back to tap our resistance. Then it dropped to tap our support level. Now with this movement, right, we should be expecting market to actually continue that movement till it is able to hit our resistance level. So this is to tell you that if you are not yet in the buy, you can be looking to go in for the buy, right? But if you are in the buy, you can see holding your buy position because in the long run, we will be expecting Swiss franc JPY to actually give us that bullish move, right? So it is able to hit our resistance, right? So in the long run, we are anticipating for a buy. If in case market drops, now guys, if in case market drops, right? I wish I did the update and let you guys know. So what we will be expecting right now on our Swiss franc JPY is a bullish move. And we should be expecting that bullish move to come to hit our resistance zone. More updates on this will be covered for you guys, so make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.